Hi friends,
welcome to our channel
Asia for India,
मैं विनीता.
and I'm Neha, and it's time for NCT. So we have just like while we were away, a lot of things happened in K-pop, and NCT Dreams' new song "Hello Future" is one of the things that we missed out. So we are gonna watch that. NCT Dream is one of the subunits of NCT that we have seen before. We have seen Chewing Gum,
Cherry bomb.
Cherry Bomb, and Hot Sauce,
Hot
and I think Boom.
boom.
So we have seen some of their music. We haven't seen everything though. It's gonna take time. But we think we know a little bit about the members, so we hope to recognize them and remember their names. But let's dive into it. This song is called "Hello Future." The opening shot looks interesting. I think it reminds me of
90.
हाँ 90s से भी ज़्यादा.
Future.
It's like a retro feel वाला थोड़ा सा. Let's see what it is all about. Are you guys ready?
कोई font ऐसे कि मैंने कुछ ऐसे किया हो future. Future में.
हाँ future में they have done
हाँ.
something. I don't know. Maybe it's the font. I don't know.
Future font.
I'm futuristic. Let's get started. Are you ready, Vinita? Are you guys ready? So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Big dreams and big thrills. God had told me 오늘 세상과 눈앞에 달려 뜨거운 별 같아 불을 태워봐.
ये change 해가지고.
ये गेमिंग है.
हाँ I think ये शानले शानले
ये रेंजिंग है कि ये रेंजिंग है शायद.
I have sorry guys. शानले I'm
ये जैसे हो गया.
Peach and it's not an impressive center. हाँ ये Jimin ये Jimin future आता है
ये सब भी है.
मैं भी ऐसा गाना everyone has to have an engine ये future में अपना सिग्नल पकड़ने के लिए अपना वाईफाई खुद ही लेके चलिए मुझे मैंने इसकी याद आ रही है इन सब
ये
को
देखो ऐसे ऐसे ही लग रहा है.
모든 건 나뿐이라고
I like the fashion it's bright and meticulous
Beautiful.
कुछ भी बट मैं वो बादल वाला जो था वो कुछ उसमें फ्लावर्स हैं और एक अजीब सा एनिमल या कुछ है, कुछ तो है. Does it have a significance? Guys, let us know, please. Okay. That was NCT Dream. Hello, Future. It was very futuristic. एक तो
देख समझ नहीं आया
I think there is some concept, something going on which we are unable to grasp. Maybe because we don't understand. Because I think it's some they are trying to say something which we aren't getting. But I like the song.
ये वो वाला फील है ना जो वी डू वाला सुपर
Long जो हाँ the vibe was similar but I think visually it reminded me a lot about of Coco Bob.
हाँ
and
वो सब कुछ जो
absurdities ना जो जैसे मतलब उस तरह की absurdities हैं wherein things are happening that aren't supposed to really happen. वैसी वाली vibe है but I think the musically I like the song but I would want to know the lyrics because we had the subtitles off, so we'll play it once again, this time with subtitles. And yeah, it does have English subtitles. We'll have to okay, so let's watch it once again with subtitles and then we'll talk more about the song. Let's get started. 1 2 1 2 3 4.
ये मुझे वो चीज का illusion जैसा भी लगा वो शिकवे होते हैं इसमें
क्या नाम है ना उनके कपड़े में रहते सब okay, so they're promoting peace and a future film. What's his song? Is it a play?
ये वाला रिफ्रेश कर देते
ये वाले
ये
ना
वाला।
हाँ मुझे तो माँ के बाल बहुत क्यूट लग रहे हैं
फ्यूचर में ऐसे हैंड करेंगे।
So now with the lyrics, it makes a lot more sense. I think musically, I really like the song. I really like the hook also. So I.
मुझे हेलो फ्यूचर से पहले जो
हाँ तो मतलब वो ना हाँ तो वो उसमें कोई शब्द मैं गा नहीं सकती तो मैं ऐसे करती So I really like the song. I think for me musically, HN and Mark stand out a lot because I know maybe it's because of familiarity or maybe it's because they are actually really good, but they stand out for me in NCT Dream or NCT 127. Every time they actually stand out. So here also that happened. Like I think I noticed Mark's rapping and HN singing a lot more than the other members. And I think it will take us a little while to get familiar with everyone's voice, but I could hear Mark and HN very clearly. So I think उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा किया, and I really like HN's vocals. I think
हाँ
he's got a very pleasing voice, a voice that you can listen to over and over.
उसकी
And
आवाज भी पहचान
हाँ मतलब his voice is a different kind of tone और उसको पहचानना भी and it is pleasing to the ear. मतलब एक होता है ना कि somebody's and he's talented as well, like he knows how to use it and throw it and when to hold back, and I think he's very young so he still has a lot of time to keep honing his vocal skills. So I look forward to his voice. Visually it was very pleasing to the eye. मतलब इतने सारे कलर्स इतना ब्राइट and then there was this contrast with that black and white वाला.
मेरे को लगा दो फ्यूचर दिखाया है
हो सकता है मे बी मुझे my interpretation was that we are currently in that black and white world and we can create a better peaceful future. So we are following technology and we are in this competitive world जहाँ पे लोगों को access मतलब वो दिखाते हैं ना कि access denied and all that wherein only privileged people are given accesses and everything, but the future they are trying to propose and create is a brighter future with flowers and bright colors and वो मेरा interpretation है कि ऐसे मुझे ऐसा लगा कि they maybe this is the present and that's the future they are trying to create. They want to come out of the rut of एक रोज एक ही काम करने वाला जो होता है ना, to keep going from one एक ही चीज़ करते रहते हैं जिससे वो लाइनों से पास हो जा रहे हैं वैसा करके उससे बाहर आने की बात हो रही थी. एंड आई थिंक इट्स अबाउट loving yourself and giving your future a chance, and it's also got a bigger world message ki peace should reign and all that. So I think it's a beautiful song, more meaningful with the lyrics obviously because once you understand what the words mean they hold a little more space in your heart. But Mark looked really cute. I think I heard somewhere काहे नहीं बोला था शायद किसी सुपर में कि Mark के original hair are curly. So maybe this is how his original hair actually are. So let us know guys if you know. I don't know, but I think I heard it in in one of the interviews that they did. I might be wrong. I can be wrong. But if whatever is the right information, let us know. I really like Uri Makshi. Uri Makshi is really cute. I feel like pinching.
इसमें मुझे वो भी अच्छा लगा जिम
And Jimin, I think is gonna be like visually he's probably my favorite member in the group. I think because again he's also very young. Once maybe he's growing up still. These are boys who are still growing up. But I expect greater things from them. Like we have seen. I think Hot Sauce was the latest one that we saw. So I think they have, as a group, their vibe is still very young, happy, cheerful, and uh, vibrant, colorful. If I compare that, like even Chewing Gum was such a cute song. Like
Chewing Gum, Cherry Bomb.
Cherry Bomb. It was Cherry Bomb is NCT 127 or NCT Dream. Cherry Bomb is NCT 127. हाँ, I don't think. नहीं, I don't think Cherry Bomb is. I think Cherry Bomb is NCT 127 जितना मुझे याद है, क्योंकि उसमें वो पर्पल और वाइट कपड़े पहने हैं. Jeong, NCT 127. Sorry. But I think हमने NCT Dream के काफी गाने देखे थे, but I think Chewing Gum is the most prominent in my head, because Chewing Gum उसमें एक्चुअली वो बच्चे थे और बहुत ही क्यूट बच्चे थे, सो वो भी था एक रीजन. बट आई थिंक NCT Dream, NCT Dream playlist. We haven't seen much of Wavy and NCT U, है ना? NCT 127, Rinka, we have seen Hot Sauce. We saw that Deja Vu, and we go up. Boom and Chewing Gum. Cherry Bomb is 127.
इतने और पता नहीं.
बट मुझे याद आ गया था क्योंकि I remember those animations and I remember Taeyong. Taeyong is not part of the team ना. Taeyong और उसमें Taeyong था, Jimin था, बाकी सारे NCT 127 में Johnny था, so I remember that. So I think नहीं, out of all these, I think my favorite so far, it's difficult. Boom मुझे बहुत पसंद है. I really like that, and I really like this also. I also like this. I think it's gonna be between these two. I also like Hot Sauce a lot, but I think Boom is, as of before this song, Boom was my favorite song of this. Now I think this is gonna be, or Boom might just bounce back. I don't know. But like Boom is currently my all-time favorite, and now I like this one. Maybe after hearing this song on repeat for a few times, it might take over from Boom, but we don't know. In terms of members, my favorite right now, personally, in terms of talent, Mark and Heechin, and in terms of looks, is currently Jimin. He's very
बहुत stand out
visually he is very appealing. Baki, I think is he a rapper? I think he's a rapper. So let's find out about the members. Jimin. Did he join in late, guys? Because his name doesn't say his rather it says since 2016. Was he previously not a member? So NCT Zen, NCT Dream, color is Pearl Neon Champagne. Rapper. नहीं, lead dancer, sub rapper, sub vocalist, visual. He is a visual. You can make out. He is a lead dancer, sub rapper, and sub vocalist. So ऐसा होता है ना? I think it's main vocal, sub lead vocal, and then sub vocal, right? है ना? ऐसे ही होता है कि main dancer, lead dancer, and sub dancer.
sometimes सब भी तो करते हैं.
Good one. So this is Shonle. Chanle. Sorry guys, we are still trying to grasp pronunciation, but somebody told us a pronunciation in the comments, but I might still Shonle,
Shonle.
Shonla, Shonla,
Shonla.
Shonle. Let us know what's the correct pronunciation again. I'm sorry, it's gonna take some time to get used to their names. He is a main vocalist, so he and Haechan are main vocalist. This is Jisung. Jisung is Jisung, right? Jisung is main dancer. सब vocalist सब rapper mark में. So he is the youngest in all of NCT.
हाँ चिंगम में दिख ही रहा था।
नहीं but हाँ all of NCT में भी he is the youngest and NCT Dream में भी he is the youngest ना Jisung. और कौन है? So Jimin is the visual. He is the main vocalist. I'm pretty sure. हाँ Jeno is lead dancer, lead rapper, sub vocalist. And Jeno is main vocalist. So we have 3 main vocalists. And Mark would be the main rapper and leader and main dancer.
He's off the
He actually Mark has that kind of a personality that he can lead a group because सुपर में वो सबसे छोटा और क्यूट है, यहाँ पे वो सबसे बड़ा और लीडर है and he's not even old enough to be like he's just what 99 born, right? So he 2009 2019 he's 22.
22.
He's just growing up and he's part of NCT Dream, NCT 127, NCT. Most of the time he's also part of NCT U and then Super M and NCT. And he also does a lot of like other work. Like I saw him doing. I saw one of his interviews with Shonan, wherein he had done some kind of a collaboration with Shonan. I think he's collaborated on stage with Baekhyun. Even before they became part of Super M, he had done a collaboration. The Baekhyun released UN Village. So I think he does a lot of work. Just take care of your health, Mark. Stay fit and healthy. Because I think he does. मतलब इतना सारा क्योंकि he's part of almost everything and he's not even a side like a supporting role. He's in the center of it all the time. I really worry about Mark Uri Makshi. And Uri Makshi is really cute and he's actually very good at all the things that he does. Like he's a good speaker, like spokesperson. He's a good dancer. He's a great rapper. He acted and we have seen some of his acting. He does well when he plays games and stuff. He's a happy person. Like he gels along well with the team members and everything. So I think he's overall a good person. If I wanted a friend, I would want Mark as my friend. होता है ना कि like out of all the Superman members, if I can't have Baekhyun, then Baekhyun would always be the first one. But if I had to look for a friend, Mark, I think Mark would be a dependable person. Let us know, guys, who's your favorite in NCT Dream and if there's any other songs. I'm pretty sure there are other songs, but which other songs and content from NCT Dream should we watch next? We would like to know them more, especially Jimin, or Jimin.
Jamin.
I think Jamin. Jamin. Let us know if we are right about the pronunciation or not. Shonle.
इसमें ज़्यादा कंफ्यूजन लेकिन चंले की
मुझे तो Renjun में भी है. We saw some like we were looking for the right pronunciation and while we were looking, we read Runjun. नहीं read Renjun. Is this Renjun or Renjun? Let us know. Jisung, I'm pretty sure we are saying right.
Jisung के Jisung.
Jisung. Song is song.
Song में फिर ओ नहीं
Song. I think that's how I pronounce it. Jisung. Jisung. little bit of nasal वाला थोड़ा सा मुझे ऐसा लगता है. बाकी let us know, we can be wrong about anything. Mark is supposed to be muck.
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 So and who else? Hechen is, I think, very close to what it is supposed to be. We might be wrong. Let us know. But I think I'm most confused about Shonle. Challe. We read a lot of pronunciation and all of them sounded different. So please let us know if you know what should be the right way to say this. That's it, guys. Thank you for today. We took a lot of your time, but we had fun with the song. Let us know what should we go about watching next. That's it. Bye bye.